The Khonsa Battalion of Assam Rifles conducted a security meeting coordination at Khonsa in Tirap District, along with Tirap Police and State Administration on Wednesday with an aim to give peace a chance in insurgency-hit Tirap and Longding District and to alleviate anti-social activities such as extortion, kidnapping and rebel recruitments. Now, the security meeting was chaired by Colonel Amit Kumar Das, the commandant of Khonsa Battalion. The villagers were asked for their proactive involvement and cooperation to end insurgency by various NSCN factions active in the Tirap and Longding District. The security meeting was attended by 120 Gauburas and Rajas from villages of Tirap and Longding District. Now, apprising the general situation in the region, the commandant sought active involvement and cooperation of village authorities to ensure unlawful activities of the insurgents, including extortion, abduction, insurgents recruitment and other nefarious activities are further reduced. While the villagers were advised to not allow civilians to accompany or guide any insurgents groups or stay in the hideout of insurgents as it would endanger their lives during operations by the security forces.
ये इंसर्जेंसी का मीटिंग ही है ताकि यहाँ जो इंसर्जेंसी में शामिल हुआ है इन लोग वापस आके अपना फ्रेश ज़िंदगी जिए। जो सीएम साहब ने बताया हुआ के मुताबिक यानी कि कमन ब्रीफिंग किया हुआ के मुताबिक अपना ज़िंदगी पीसफुली जिए। और साथ में ये हम लोग पब्लिक और पुलिस असम राइफल एक दूसरा से कोऑपरेट होना ज़रूरी है।
इंसर्जेंट के साथ नहीं चलना है, नहीं घूमना है और टैक्स कलेक्शन अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया जो है, अभी भी टैक्स कलेक्शन जो है नहीं करना चाहिए। हमारा गांव के लिए एक वो जो है आसाम राइफल पोस्ट रखने से ठीक है, हम लोग को शांति होने के लिए, अच्छा होने के लिए।